Hello guys, welcome back to What is Civilization Started Over. This is a new series and this is kind of like an introduction. This is going to be like a very short episode of the series. Yeah, I'm going to make this series is going to be like 150 episodes. Wow, the longest Vixo series ever, I think. So, let's go. So, let's start this episode of Vixo. We're going to see a nation pop up here in Greece, in modern day Greece. This nation, wow, why? This nation is going to just be so, why do I have to? There's going to be a pop up a nation right here. They're going to explore a little bit of these lands, and they're going to, and then now are going to settle a little small nation right here, and then, and this small nation gonna be called Pterodaustros after like a war they settled up. And there are a lot of tribes, and these tribes don't like these guys. These guys are their number one op. They're number one op. Why can I not spell op? There we go, there's op. Okay, that was funny. So these guys, this small Greek nation, yeah, these guys are gonna stay here in this size, and now it's the year for 2450 BC. So these guys are gonna expand a little more. It's been like 1,000 years since they expanded, but not 1,000 years, like 100 years since they expanded. They try to like focus on their growth. So these guys are gonna expand a little bit down south because these guys wanna expand quickly. And a mysterious event happens, and when they go rapid fire, like everything, this entire region is discovered. But a very mysterious thing happens when all of these explorationers, yeah, they are gone. As the Greeks, they investigate the actual armies, like actual explorers, not like a small group. It's actual explorers. These guys, then they found this. Yes, and whole new nation. I would call this Yellow Greece, or you can call this Sparta. I just call this entire island Sparta. I know Sparta is kind of like here. This is where Sparta used to be, but I call this entire island the island of Sparta, but I will call it Sparta. Just ignore it. And then these guys find them. They're like, oh my goodness. These guys are like big, not small. So these guys, these upper Greeks, they're gonna expand a lot more right here. They're gonna expand a lot more right here. And oh my goodness, 1 second. I'm back, guys. Yo. These guys are gonna expand right up into the upper region, but they're gonna quickly like take a lot of this land because they really are kind of like competing. As these guys have just formed a rivalry. As nobody likes Pterodaustros. They're like the worst nation ever. No, so these guys will go and discover this entire region. And kind of find. So they're gonna expand, but yeah, they're not the ones only to expand. Yellow Greece. Eat a green bee, you will grow stronger. But the greens are not. This is not the episode of the greens. This is kind of like you can call this episode 1.1 because yeah, this is the Greek and civilization episode. We're gonna focus on other civilizations. These guys are gonna grow here on like this time span. Tomorrow we're gonna focus or tomorrow, not tomorrow, but like a few days later, we're gonna focus on Italian civilization and the German civilizations. Then we have real episodes. These are just introductions because I have never done this before. these gold, these Greeks, red Greeks, are, wow, these red Greeks are gonna expand all the way in here into this Albanian region, becoming Northern Greeks. There are two Greek nations. And after a while, now it's the year like 1253 AD. Yeah, it's been like 1,000 years. And yeah, it's kind of been a long time. And but now after 1000 BC, these guys are gonna invade these guys. They don't have armies yet. What they're basically doing is just like saying the civilians that attack this nation, we will give you. They give you some of the land you get. So these guys will be invading these guys, taking this land and going. But this nation, this yellow nation, they're gonna invade. These guys are gonna invade the red team. Yeah, if you want to see how this war goes, yeah, it's gonna be like a few days after this when this war gets settled. So that's all for today's episode. Very small episode, I know. But yeah, this is the introduction. So it's gonna be small. And also, does anybody know the meaning of these 4-line pixels? I used to do this in my mind, like say doing Vixo, and when I did my Vixo season 1, not in YouTube, but like just in my mind, just to play, I have just got this spec. If you want to see the map of my Vixo, I will show you right now. Not right now, I will show you in the video. So yeah, if you like this video and want to see more Vixo videos, consider liking and subscribe to the channel. Then the YouTube algorithm will push this video, and I want this video to push. As yeah, I know that it's possible for people to watch it because this is on Raya mapping, and I am directing a lot of my Raya and Maroon viewers to Raya mapping. So yeah, there are gonna be a lot of people. So yeah. So that's all for today's episode, and I will see you guys next episode.